In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Brother MFC-J1205w is not working. Maybe the network is not connecting, or maybe you have other issues with your printer. I'll show you how to fix them. So the first thing you need to try before going any further is to go on the side of your printer, is to unplug the power cable. So simply pull it out, wait 3 minutes, and then plug it back in. The printer will power on by itself, and hopefully after doing this, everything will work. It's a simple trick, and before going and trying something else, I suggest to start with this one. Next, if you're still having issues, you want to factory reset your printer. This is done in only a minute. So let me show you how this is done using the control panel on the left side of the printer. So you'll need to press the power button here and the monocopy button both at the same time. And now press the color copy 2 seconds. 1, 2, then release it. Same thing, just wait until the power buttons stop flashing. Usually in 5 seconds should be done. So this is it. After you've finished, your printer is fully resetted. Now, I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment, type a comment down below, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links in the description. If you want to get ink, paper, or a new printer, you also support my channel by doing this, and I'll see you in the next video.